Hello everyone, I am Shawiz Rizvi. I am working as an analyst at Deloitte India. So this is my second video on YouTube. I want to thank to each and every one of you to give a great response on my very first video on YouTube. To be honest, I never thought of making a YouTube channel, but this time when I joined Deloitte, I got that audacity within me that I should make a new channel, because every time whenever someone thinks for anything which he doesn't know or want to know, we have curiosity to look forward for many companies how they basically recruit the freshers and how the different technologies work. So for that purpose I thought there should be that good content where you can find everything from that person who has just joined. So it's been quite 2 months over here, and everything has been amazing till date. The the best thing about working in Big Four is the culture. The work culture over there is basically the best. You get to know about a lot of things which you may not be able to know in other firms, I think so. And slowly and steadily, I think I'm gonna discuss each and everything with you all. So I welcome my family over here, my YouTube channel, my YouTube family basically. And today's agenda will be like I will be covering some questions which were asked on my previous video. I know I'm making this video a little late, but I will make sure that I keep on uploading more and more videos, and later on I think you people will come to know. So let's start. चलिए शुरू करें. पहली first comment is from Namrata. I also have got recruited for the Salesforce domain for the upcoming year. Had some questions that you have an internship before joining full time. So yes, Namrata, first of all, congratulations to each and everyone who has joined Deloitte or any other good MNC firm in the recent time, and all the best to you all for this bright career ahead which you are just stepping up. And Namrata, I think I got your text on LinkedIn as well. So yes, I had an internship of around 1 month, starting from 1st November to 30th November. So this was the 1 month of internship on the Salesforce domain as well. And to be honest, Salesforce is an amazing technology, which is very much a niche technology, which is getting more and more demand nowadays. It contains of it has two of the paths which you can follow. Either you can go for the admin role or you can go for the developer role. So in my case, I was recruited as a Salesforce developer from my college, DRT University. So we were being allotted to a 1 month of training, wholesome training, where there were different trainers. Many were very experienced trainers from Deloitte as well, and we were being taught on daily basis. It was around 3 to 4 hours of session each day, along with ample of modules on Trailhead. So we had got various like time foundation for which we used to complete them. We were allotted with our managers, our coach, and also there were other senior consultants with whom we could interact and take any help at any time. So the best thing about Deloitte is the work culture. You can actually ask anything, anytime to anyone. This is the best thing I can explain in one line. Here, even the your partner is always ready to help you at any time. So that transparency is amazing over here at Deloitte. So I think yes, as a full time you will be converted after completing your internship. Next question is from Ashish Chaudhary. Hi brother, congratulations. Actually, I have one question. I cleared my technical plus director round. Then I got a call. In first they told me to send documents, and in second call he asked about the location and PKG on previous Friday. What will be the next procedure? Or when will I get the offer letter? So Ashish Chaudhary, first of all, I know you must have got your. I wish you may have got your offer letter by now. But to be honest, this question is for this answer is for everyone. I think that yes, Deloitte takes a little time in dispatching the offer letters. It may take around 2 weeks, 3 weeks basically. You can even get to wait for a month after you submitted your BJV documents and everything. So you just need to have that patience within you. See, if you have been recruited to Deloitte, One thing is foremost that they will never ever cancel your offer or anything. Don't be have that belief in you within you that yes, you are recruited in Deloitte, so they will definitely send you the offer letter by any means. And second thing is have that patience within you, because even I know I am very much I was very much curious to know that why I haven't got my offer letter. But there is a particular forum as well, and I'll be attaching that link in the description. That's a Quora group, and you can join by yourself as well. And there you will get a lot of FAQs related to the onboarding process at Deloitte. So there you can find, and basically many people were waiting for the offer letter, but later on they got the offer letter on the correct time. Even I got it little late, but make sure that all your documents are ready. You are free from if you are from the previous company. It was in my case my previous company was Cognizant. So make sure that you basically you have done everything from your previous company. You have done everything, like you are now cleared and released. And if there is any notice period, then you should have served that before entering Deloitte. So this is the foremost thing. You should make sure make sure to write it somewhere, to make it a note that if you are being recruited to Deloitte, make sure that you are not having any tie-up with any other company. And also, if you got a call from HR, try to ask them that what will be the scheduled onboarding in your case, so that you can plan the resignation and everything beforehand. So next, I want to thank my few friends, the TLU family. All the best for your future and your new beginning. Thanks a lot, Guru Charan. So this is TLU family, and he's my friend Guru Charan. He's two of my friends basically. They are having this channel TLU, so you can go and check it out as well. They make amazing videos on reactions on various new songs as well as any new album. You can go and check it out. I'll also paste that link in the description. Next is from Shweta KP. I have my joining date on 17th January and my location is Bangalore. Do you have any idea about whether they gave work from home or work from office? So Shweta, basically to be precise, let me tell you, the condition right now is definitely, you can see the Omicron cases are rising. Even since my location is Gurugram, over there the cases are rising every day. So there is very less chance even that party of Deloitte, which was scheduled on 17th December, it got cancelled and it got online. So I think even I got the work from office date of 10th of January, but I don't think that they will call us back. So you just wait for a few time, and obviously if your joining date is 17th January, you should wait for some time, see what is the condition and situation after that. And if there will be situation will be normal, I think only then they will call you in Bangalore, and you will always have that you can always tell your manager whatever reasons you are having. If you want to come little late, you can go like that, but most probably it will be work from home. Next is from Animesh. Great start, best wishes for your future bhai. Thanks a lot Animesh bhai, and hopefully I will get my laptop soon. So laptop survey, my joining is 13th December. Hope everything will be great. Bro, did you have any suggestions for me? I am shortlisted for the internship Deloitte USI. So Yassine bro, very congratulations. And okay, so after you may have filled the laptop survey, you must have got your laptop on the very second week from your joining date. So if your joining was from 13th December, I think after 1 week, within 1 week, you may have got your laptop as well. So any suggestions? So okay, so this question I will take for everyone. Suggestion from my side will be definitely it's a very great start. See, whosoever is being recruited, if I purposely talked for the reference of Deloitte, being the biggest of the big four, I think it's a very good start. First of all, my suggestion will be to each and everyone who is joining Deloitte that be very much proud of yourself, have that curiosity to learn new things, and have that confidence within you that whenever you come up with any new projects, any new type of skill which you are learning side by side, always be the first person to take up any challenges. Like if there is a particular project and your manager wants that, who is the person who is the best, who is the who you know who is having who can show the efforts, and who is the best for the project. So be that guy that whenever there is any vacancy left for any project, so it's you which is being called for it. So that will make you a very good presence over here. Also, when joining Deloitte, one more thing, make sure in your mind that always don't panic at first. You know, many people panic that how will you manage and how things will get in, but everything will be normal. See, there will be more people with you, there will be more of your friends. You can basically discuss about the various modules. You can even study together. Whatever sessions you are having on a daily basis, always make notes of it, because you know that only things you will be working on later on. So those technology you should be very much familiar to it. Try to find out various channels on YouTube which is the best for you. I think that will be amazing, and you will also get the access of Udemy here, so you can see various courses over here and learn side by side. Another suggestion from me to my friends and family who is watching me right now is that never feel nervous of anything. If you have any question in your mind, always feel free to talk with your team to continue telling what you think about that particular. Always give feedback, because feedback is very much necessary when you are working in any MNC. It's very much necessary when you are trying to tell what your views are regarding anything. And feel free when you are telling about your views about any particular subject or anything. And another question is from Shri Thrani: how long will it take to deliver the laptop after the new hire survey? So Shri Thrani, I hope that if you have submitted the BJV, it will not take a lot of time, and you will get your laptop after the joining date within 1 week. So that will be everything. You will get the welcome kit as well, and overall you will get a lot of things after time. You know, even if I tell about the best thing which I am getting right now is the 10 days of holiday which I got recently from 24th of December to 3rd of January or 2nd of January. So this was a whole full-fledged of 10 days of holiday which I got. So I was very happy. I was pretty happy. I was having various plans. So yes, you can always at the end of the year you will get a full 10 days of holiday at Deloitte. As well as they will also provide a lot of gifts, like during Diwali, I think they gave a survey regarding 2 or 3 gifts were there, and you can basically, there were different gadgets and you could choose between them. So you will get to know a lot of things over here. A lot of the skills will be developed, a lot of learning, as well as a lot of fun. I think this is the best part. Feel free and do whatever fun you want to do right now. And this was my second video. I am ending this video right now, and I will also answer more of your questions once I get some. I will get a time. I will make more videos on it, and feel free to share your views, and also tell from which location you people belong. Like personally, I am from North area. I am from Lucknow, UP. So I am very familiar with Hindi as well as English both. So मुझे बताइएगा कि आप किस जगह से हैं. And if you are from South, definitely more of the contents will be in English. So I give this choice to you people, whether you want my content to be in English or in Hindi, or both mix. So that will be more better from my side, that I could make more contents on it like that. So now I am ending this video. Thanks a lot for watching my video, and give a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel if you feel like you wanna know more contents on Deloitte. More contents on, I will make more videos on how was my interview experience, and what skills you can develop later on. And later feel free to drop any question, whatever stuffs you want, whatever content you want, I will surely make them. So thanks a lot. Bye bye to everyone. See you in the next video.